forward movements, the, rhythm, getting your shoulders involved, right? We still want to get our groove going. So why not learn some rhythm with the beat, right? And don't focus so much on the song, because whatever the DJ is playing, you can adapt your rhythm, your movement to that song or to that genre of music. So many people focus on the music, and I have to say, I'm one of them. I'm guilty, but you don't have to do that all the time. Slow it up. Bam. Slow it up. Bam. Look, there's a bounce. Some things are so simple to some people. They say, oh, they're not doing nothing. Guess what? This is a workout. This is helping your heart rate. This is helping your joints because you're not putting a lot of pressure on your joints, right? We're bouncing. And we're on wheels in between to cushion you and to help you bounce, right? Okay? And then you can add your shoulders. What is this doing? Also, heart rate, helping your heart, giving your shoulders some movement, even your back. See, I'm going up with my back. Hold your core in, right? Yes, the Juice, who I know created it. Now, before him, I have no idea. I think some people have shared some things with me, but people kind of doing it or similar moves. But all I know is Juice, the Juice, he started this. So, beginners. So, just so you know, just a little bit about it. So, you want to start by just getting limber, okay? Just relax. You can learn to stop. So if you look at some of my other videos, I show you some stops to do, but this is an easy one. I'll show you this way. Go out and in. Out and in. Out and in. Out and in. Okay, so what am I using? These muscles here, hips, it's all this area. Here, you're just doing that. Do I have to do that? No. Watch. I don't have to use my arms. Remember, I am focusing on beginners, so I'm trying to help you get coordinated. This is to help your coordination. Once you get it, you don't have to do that. Okay? But get the movement down packed, feel it in those areas. And what is that doing for you also? Some people have DM'd me and, messaged me, talked about how the exercises are helping them lose weight, feel better, energy level has spiked, their heart rate has picked up, so it's helped them do, instead of going to the gym, it's been a refresher to go to the skating rink to get that same type of level of exercise, because you're doing things like this in the middle or in the outside, and you're basically doing a light jog. helped me originally. Okay, so I had the number one person to help me get the smoothness down pat. And it comes around and it's back. It comes around and it's back. Now your arms, you may add your arms, you may not. You may just keep them here. It may just be right here. And it's more of a bottom movement versus a lot of this. It's not that, okay? So I just want to give some tips today to help somebody. And this may be for beginners, for intermediate, for advanced, but it's not that. That's too hard. Now, if you just want to work out, okay, do it. But it's not the original G-slide, okay? So back to G-slide, there's a smoothness to it. Right, back. See how I automatically come forward and it's not so hard pressed. So I'm not turning all the way over unless we're doing a move. There is a move where you're doing this and we call it out and we go to the left and then we come back and then we go to the right and then we come back. But that's an actual move. It's a call out. So there are some call outs with G-slide that we do that you would do that. And some people say hold left, okay? So when they say hold left, there it is. Another thing I want to say about G-slide is it depends on what city or state you're in and who you're around, what group you are in. There are different call outs. So one group may have one group may have, they may say 3, and another group on this side may say triple, and it'd be 2 different things. So it's no way of knowing unless you get with that particular group or you stand behind them and you learn their call out, because you could be doing 2 and that's not their 2. Get it? So I want to help the beginners, those who don't understand that. When you're behind a group of people and you're learning it and they say 2, 2, and then they do something and you're like, whoa, that's not our 2. Our 2 is different from that, okay? I find myself in that situation a lot of times. The original 1, the original 2, the original, triple. I think everybody kind of goes with the same triple. It's either they say 3 or they say triple. And that's when you lift your leg up and you give it a shimmy 3 times. And then you go right back into G-slide. Right back into G-slide. Right? So they'll say 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. They go. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you've learned something, and share and hit that subscribe button. See you next time. Follow me on Instagram at Skatefantacee. Bye.